Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the M8 Pro drone. Hope everybody's doing okay. We've got a GPS brushless motor drone here. Has a camera in the front and a camera on the bottom. You can add obstacle avoidance. I don't have it on this one. I chose to opt out of that option. We have GPS now. Looks like 15 satellites, cameras connected through the Wi-Fi. Let's give it a whirl, see how it can do, guys. Thanks for watching. Takeoff was a breeze. Whoa. Speed 3 is a little aggressive. Wasn't ready for that. I'll put her on speed 1 here. Test that out. This one's a little touchy. You got a lot of motion there. It's gonna take me a minute to get used to it. We do have some wind out here too. It's making it act a little crazy. It's a good looking drone. It does have rubber feet, which I really like. It helps you stick the landing. You don't slide off the landing mat, or whatever you want to call it, the helipad. Alright, let's kick it up a notch. Put it back up in speed 3, get a little higher and get some video. And then we'll try a return to home. Look at it go. That thing gets right up there real quick. That's a pretty decent breeze. So you can see how it's combating that up there. A little wobbly, but not too terrible. Looks good so far. A little wobbly, but cheap drone, under $100. I expect a not so perfect camera, but good enough to get started. Let's start the video. Video is started. And fly around a little bit. Wow, this one really rips through the sky. Get behind them trees a little bit, I couldn't see. Look at it go. Man, this one is fun to fly. Probably not a good video on there. It's going too fast. Wow, that's fun. Alright, let me slow down and get some good video here. I'm still connected there. I'm sure that video was rotten though. I'm going so fast. This thing's really souped up for a little bitty drone. Only a 3.7 volt battery. And weighing about 160 grams, probably soaking wet. breeze really picking up. Okay, I'm gonna shut the camera down. I'm gonna let it set for a second, do a slow 360. Okay, I'm gonna shut down the video. Video stopped. Now let's take a couple still shots of the field there. There's one. Look at something different. Go ahead and point the camera down, look at us. Or look at me. All right. Nope. There I am. I have to back it up a little. There we go. What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate all your support. Keep coming by. A lot of new stuff coming, more giveaways. Okay, let's go ahead and take that snapshot. Alright, now we're going to go out in the field a little ways and do a return to home and see what happens. Look at that airplane way up there. That's cool. Beautiful clear sky today. Alright, let's attempt our first return to home. This is the maiden flight outdoors. All I've done is hovered it inside so far. So, here we go. Return to home. Hope for the best. Ooh, it looks like it turned around. I like it when they do that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool feature. Well, it's coming back at me. Slowing down like it's going to start descending. That's correct. Well, that wind's really giving it some, giving it a run for its money. It's picking up. Hold on, drone. Only windy days here in Indiana, seems like, lately. That's okay. I'll live. Well, I got it back to where I can see what's going on. That's good enough in my opinion. Especially for a cheap drone, beginner drone. Got to start somewhere. Okay, it's not going to hit the pad, so I'm going to stop it. It wasn't very close, but close enough where you could see it and get it back if you get into some trouble. So it does work. Let's do one more, see if the accuracy changes. I'm out of range. It's going to automatically do a return to home. There it comes. It's always good to test out features like that. Doesn't have great range, but you can keep it within say a 200-300 foot radius. That could be off a little bit. And there may be a setting in the app that I haven't got to yet that has a geo fence that sets your maximum range for you. So that's something to consider as well. I'll look into it more and hopefully I'll start giving you guys a lot more info on these videos. I'm a busy man. I do a lot. It's a lot more than just a YouTube channel. This is just an adventure that I'm doing. It's free. I get to give away some things. I don't make any money at this time, but that's okay. I do it because I want to. Alright, let's bring her on down for a landing. Boy, it's a windy day. Chilly day too. Not terrible though. pretty mild to what's coming. Winter is coming. Very cool little drone. Whoa! Well, that was a little less than perfect, but it's back on the ground. Let me try one more, see if I can do better. Oh, the battery's dead. I guess I can't. Well, that's as good as I can do for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. That's the M8 Pro. That's this motor camera drone. Bye.